Good morning and welcome to the daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. We are not opening on a very good numbers due to the global weak sell-off which is happening in the markets. So let's go deep into it and find out what happened yesterday in the markets, what will happen today, and how we need to get prepared for the market setup. So as of Nifty is concerned, yesterday we saw the expiry was superb and the February month series closed close to 8% up. And we saw some short covering happening in the banks in the early trades, and there is a massive outperformance from the PSU stocks in Nifty, and it helped Nifty to close slightly near to 15,100 levels. Bank Nifty saw some early short covering, and in the second half we saw some profit booking happening in the intraday, and there were swings were around somewhere around 750 points yesterday, and closed around 100 points nearby for Bank Nifty. It was all PSU sectors, and we are telling PSU for the past 1 week, because mainly due to the budget announcements and Prime Minister Modi's announcement of government has no business being in business. So that made stocks like Coal India, ONGC, BPCL and NTPC being the top gainers, while the mid-cap stocks also saw PSU stocks hit near-term highs. So the FII numbers yesterday, FIIs have just bought close to 188 crores, a small meager number, and DAs yesterday sold close to 746 crores. That's the reason we saw some profit booking in the last hour of the market closing. Market setup for the day, it's not looking all bright, and we are bracing for a gap down start. The SGS Nifty is showing close to 270 points down, somewhere around 14,910 levels. So why this has happened? This mainly happened due to the US sell-off. US markets saw a huge sell-off due to the rising bond yields. The bond yields which has gone close to 1.60%, and it is at 1.52%. Even though the Fed chairman Jerome Powell tried to boost up the market sentiments, but the bond yields keep on rising, and this led to a big sell-off in the technology stocks. We can see that Nasdaq falling close to 3.5%, which is one of the worst one-day fall in over 4 months. So these are the negative cues we are opening. Due to this major, all the Asian indexes, as you are seeing now, are in deep reds, and they are all gapped down. Okay, so in between the oil prices also going surging up, and the sell-off is just spiking all the sell-off which is happening in the market. So what will be the trade setup for the day? The question will be today is, will it be a Black Friday today? Normally the Fridays will have negative sentiments in the markets. Will it be a terrible Black Friday today? We need to watch out. For today, we can expect the global cues to exert more weakness, and we can see some weakness will be there in our market, and we need to be embraced for that. In the early trades, we can see these yields could see the bank stocks under pressure today because of the growing yields. Will buying come at the low? And we were telling buy on dips. Will it be another opportunity for us to buy in the low? I suggest we need to wait for some cooling off, consolidation in the low areas, and we can enter into good quality stocks. So tech stocks will definitely have an impact, tech and banking stocks, because we saw yesterday in US markets the technology stocks had an impact. So watch out for these stocks, and watch out for the numbers where you wanted to enter at the right time. Okay, so having said all these things, what will be the levels we need to watch? The same levels which we said yesterday. We need to keep an eye on that 14,850 levels, since we are seeing markets SGS Nifty indicating somewhere around below 15,000 levels. So we need to keep 14,850 will be the first support, then 14,700 will be the second support, and it goes to 14,635 levels, which was the earlier low made last week. And in the upside, we need to keep eye on 15,000, 15,100 levels. If any closing above 15,100, we can see that market then gradually picking up pace and moving towards the 15,250 area. Okay, so there is no meaning in seeing the put option data, put and call option data, because the monthly rollovers just happen. But you can see the build up is happening for put rating is somewhere around 15,000, 15,100 and 200 levels in put rating, and call rating side we can see 15,100, 400 and 500. But today's market we may see the put rating going down and call rating also coming down. So we need to see the data. More clarity will be coming in today's day and data. Indian VIX volatility index came down yesterday at 22.8 levels, but today's volatility may increase, it may spike close to 24 to 25 levels. If it goes above 25 or 26 levels, there will be some more volatility emerging in the markets today. We need to see whether all these news are helping the DIIs to buy, or the FIIs will sell more. That is a question we need to ask. We need to watch it in the day end for more updates. So the support and resistance level for the day. Index support level will be around 14,700 for Nifty. Resistance will be around 15,200, and bank support will be around 36,000, and bank resistance will be around 37,000. So the buzzing stocks yesterday, what were the stocks which were buzzing yesterday? Were Max Financial surge 10% on Axis, entities get not to stake sale in Max Life. So we saw Axis Bank rally close to 10%. Reliance Industries gaining 6% for the past 2 days due to that O2C news. Tata Chemicals hit a fresh lifetime high, and stock zoom close to 100% in 3 months. RCF, Ratnakar Chemical Fertilizer. So it surged around 15% because ICRA has given a positive outlook from stable to positive. So this helped the stock to move up. Okay, the important stocks which you are watching for the day will be Railtel, which is making its listing today in the markets, Infosys, Kotak Bank, HCL Tech, Bank of Baroda. Why we are watching? You need to get into our Telegram channel. For those who are not able to locate our Telegram channel, the link is given in the description. You can click that and be part of our community, and all the latest news will be updated in our Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our videos. Thank you. Have a great day.